An apple pie that will melt in your mouth. Anyone can cook this pie, and it's delicious. Let's start by cutting one apple. Remove the center, then cut it into very thin slices. You don't have to remove the peel. In a bowl, add 3 eggs, half a cup of sugar, and whisk. Then add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, and mix until smooth. Try this pie at home. It's very easy to prepare, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix. And our dough is ready. Place half of it in a baking pan greased with butter and dusted with flour. Even it out. Add the apple slices on top. I'd like to thank you all for liking and commenting on our videos. I'm so happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Cover the apple slices with the rest of the dough. Finally, sprinkle some sugar. Put it in the oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our apple pie is ready. Just cut a slice and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.